To reinvest dividends in Robinhood. Start by understanding what dividends are and how they work. Dividends are portions of a company's profit distributed to its shareholders, and reinvesting them allows you to purchase additional shares of the same stock. First, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the Portfolio tab, where you can view all your investments. Identify the stocks that pay dividends and have a pending dividend payment. Next, go to the Account tab and click on Dividend Reinvestment. Here, you can toggle on the option to reinvest dividends for individual stocks or for your entire portfolio. If you choose to reinvest dividends for individual stocks, you will need to toggle on the option for each stock separately. Once you have enabled dividend reinvestment, Robinhood will automatically use the dividend payments to purchase additional shares of the same stock. You can track the reinvested dividends in the History tab of your account, where you can view all your transactions, including dividend reinvestments. It is essential to review and adjust your dividend reinvestment settings periodically to ensure they align with your investment strategy. Reinvesting dividends can be a powerful way to grow your wealth over time, as it allows you to take advantage of compound interest and increase your ownership in the companies you invest in. By following these steps and understanding how dividend reinvestment works, you can make the most of your investments in Robinhood and potentially increase your long-term returns. Remember to always review and adjust your settings as needed to ensure they align with your investment goals.